How to escape the money matrix. What they didn't teach you in school. The money matrix. Are you tired of feeling trapped in the endless cycle of financial struggles, living paycheck to paycheck with no end in sight? Do you dream of breaking free from the constraints of the money matrix and creating a life of abundance and prosperity on your own terms? If so, you're not alone. Many people feel stuck in a system that prioritizes profit over personal well-being, but the good news is that there is a way out. In this comprehensive guide, I will reveal the secrets to escaping the money matrix and taking control of your financial destiny. Understanding the money matrix. Before we can break free from the money matrix, it's crucial to grasp its definition and operational dynamics. The money matrix represents a societal construct designed to ensnare individuals within a web of debt, consumerism, and financial reliance. From our earliest encounters with the education system, we're conditioned to equate success with material wealth and social standing. This indoctrination leads us to prioritize monetary gain and societal validation over pursuing our genuine passions and aspirations. To truly understand how to escape the money matrix, we must first define its essence. In its simplest form, escaping the money matrix involves liberating oneself from societal constructs that dictate financial norms. To comprehend this concept thoroughly, consider the analogy of the matrix from philosophical perspectives. Just as depicted in What is the Matrix? Escaping the money matrix parallels freeing oneself from human-made constructs and transitioning towards natural or divine principles. To effectively escape the money matrix, one must first understand its underlying mechanisms. The matrix represents societal norms and systems that perpetuate financial dependency and inhibit wealth creation. These include 1. Debt traps and consumerism. Modern society encourages a culture of excessive consumption often fueled by easy access to credit. This leads to a cycle of debt, where individuals spend beyond their means, paying high interest rates and fees that erode their financial stability. 2. Limited financial education. Schools traditionally prioritize academic subjects over practical life skills such as budgeting, investing, and financial planning. As a result, individuals are left unprepared to make informed financial decisions. 3. The illusion of job security. Many are taught to seek stable employment as the primary source of income. However, relying solely on a job for financial security can be precarious in today's volatile job market. It's almost impossible to fully escape the money matrix. It is extremely difficult to completely avoid being a part of the financial system. This is because the government has regulations on almost everything related to finances. Since laws and regulations are created by humans, it is hard to find an investment that is not regulated. Many financial assets fall under the financial system, some of which are listed below: the stock market, the crypto market, foreign exchange, tax-advantaged accounts, banking tools, insurance tools, anything offered by Wall Street. Semi-matrix investments. There are financial assets regulated by the matrix, but not considered part of it. These are partial matrix assets. These include oil and lumber. It would be impractical to store barrels of oil, or to stack lumber in your garage for investment purposes. These types of investments are usually done by investing in businesses which work with oil and lumber. Most people will invest in these through the stock market, which is part of the matrix. So, although oil and lumber are made mostly by nature, they are impractical to invest in without going into the matrix. Land. Although land is unarguably part of nature, hence made by God, the government crawls all over real estate. The buying and selling process, contracts, taxes, laws, and code compliance all have a part to play in the ownership of land. This means that if you own this asset, you're still regulated by the matrix. Collectibles. Many collectibles are made by humans, however, some are made by nature. However, many of these still have regulations. Even gems have rules and regulations that need to be followed. You may also find that a lot of these collectibles are monopolized by big corporations. For example, diamonds are not rare, they're supplied to controlled by big corporations so that they can charge high prices for them. So if you invest in diamonds, your investment's value is being manipulated by corporations. Matrix-free investments. There are only a few investments that are currently unregulated, with one in particular that comes to mind. However, even this investment has some regulations in place, although there are ways to work around them. It's important to note that this investment has been subjected to heavy regulation in the past, to the point where it was once illegal to own. Can you guess what investment it is? Gold. Let's consider all precious metals, including gold, silver, and others, in the same category. Although gold and other precious metals are not entirely outside of the system, in the United States of America, the ownership of gold was illegal between 1933 and 1974. Therefore, it was heavily regulated in the past. However, nowadays, the regulations are less strict. The primary regulation that still exists is the requirement to declare your financial asset to a customs or border protection officer. However, it is less of a regulation compared to other assets, including investments free from the matrix. We do not suggest that you completely remove yourself from the financial system, although some people choose to do so. Instead, we recommend that you diversify your investments across different categories. It's good to have some investments in precious metals, some in partially integrated assets, and some in fully integrated assets. This way, you can view the investment world through various lenses and remain safe, no matter what happens in the world. Some investors view the world through the lens of physical and paper assets. Physical assets include things like land, precious metals, and gems, while paper assets include things like businesses, loans, and digital currency. However, we encourage you to view investing through many different lenses, including the money matrix, as this can help you make informed investment decisions. Example investment plans. Joseph desires to diversify his investment portfolio by investing in all three levels of the matrix. To this end, he has opted to invest in farming companies through the stock market, which represents his matrix investment. Given his background in farming, Joseph has also purchased additional land, thereby making it his partial matrix investment. Furthermore, Joseph has a keen interest in palladium, which he has decided to include in his non-matrix investment. Finally, Joseph has established a foundation that is beyond the matrix, enabling him to effectively transcend the money matrix. Breaking free. Key strategies. Financial education. Invest in your financial education outside of traditional schooling. Resources abound, from books and online courses to workshops and seminars. Committing to lifelong learning is essential in mastering personal finance. Debt management. Take proactive steps to eliminate high-interest debt. Implement strategies such as the debt snowball or debt avalanche method to systematically pay down debts and regain financial freedom. Building multiple streams of income. Diversify your income sources beyond a single job. Explore side hustles, freelancing, or entrepreneurship to increase your earning potential and safeguard against economic uncertainties. Embracing financial independence. Shift your mindset from financial dependence to financial independence. This involves prudent saving, disciplined investing, and creating a robust financial plan tailored to your goals. Beyond the classroom, practical tips. Budgeting. Track your expenses meticulously and allocate funds wisely. Investing. Educate yourself on investment vehicles such as stocks, bonds, real estate, and retirement accounts. Emergency fund. Build a safety net by setting aside funds for unforeseen expenses. Networking. Leverage relationships and seek mentorship from successful individuals in your desired field. Conclusion. Escaping the money matrix requires intentional effort and a commitment to ongoing self-improvement. By prioritizing financial education, adopting prudent money management practices, and diversifying income streams, individuals can reclaim control over their financial destinies. At Mindset, we are dedicated to supporting you on this journey towards financial empowerment and invite you to explore our resources and services designed to help you break free from the constraints of conventional finance. Remember, the path to financial freedom begins with a single step, a decision to take charge of your financial future and embrace the possibilities of a life liberated from the money matrix. Let's embark on this transformative journey together.